Motorcycles and safety, important rules for motorcyclists on the road. Hello, dear motorcyclists and all supporters of two-wheeled life. Today, we will talk about road safety for motorcyclists and important rules that will help save your life and reduce the risk of accidents. Whether you are new to the motorcycle world or an experienced rider, these rules are important for everyone. Let's look at them in more detail. Protective equipment, the first step to safety. Wearing protective equipment is mandatory for all motorcyclists. A helmet, protective clothing, gloves, and footwear provide protection against injury and damage in the event of an accident. Don't skimp on safety equipment, invest in quality and appropriate equipment. Correct driving, technique and maneuvers. Mastering the correct driving technique and the ability to correctly perform maneuvers will help to avoid many accidents. Learn to ride a motorcycle competently, brake and turn safely and efficiently. Caution, avoid distractions. Keeping a close eye on the road is the key to safety. Avoid distractions such as using smartphones or chatting while driving. Always be careful on the road and anticipate possible dangers. Spacing distance, maintain a safe clearance. Keep a safe distance between you and other vehicles. This will allow you to have enough time to react if necessary and avoid collisions. Motorcycle inspection, reliability comes first. Check the condition of your motorcycle before each ride. Make sure your brakes, lights, tires, and other important items are working properly. Don't forget about regular maintenance as well. Travel according to the conditions, we adapt to the environment. Consider road conditions and weather conditions when driving. Driving slowly in the rain, avoiding puddles, and being careful in wet or icy conditions can help avoid danger. Knowledge of traffic rules, let's refresh our knowledge. Remember and follow the traffic rules. They are designed for your safety and the safety of other road users. Constantly update your knowledge and follow the rules. Be visible, reflective elements and bright clothing. Be visible on the road, especially in low visibility conditions. Use reflective elements on your motorcycle and bright clothing to ensure maximum visibility. Preparation for the trip, planning and preparation. Before your trip, plan your route, check weather conditions, and prepare for all possible situations. Carry the necessary tools, documents, and spare parts with you. Be prepared for the unexpected, respond appropriately. Despite all the warnings and preparations, sometimes unforeseen situations can occur. Be prepared for them and react appropriately, leaving enough space to react and avoid danger. Do not forget that road safety is the joint responsibility of all road users. Follow the rules and be careful to ensure a safe and enjoyable ride for everyone. Thanks for watching. We wish you safe and exciting trips.